So hello guys, it's me Santi Boy, and today I'm going to make a tier list of the Premier League and predict the Premier League 2020-21
that you had you could
table. So let's start and nothing else. Let's just start.
that was a bit anticlimactic.
Top four. I I think uh, Liverpool will win the league again. It's just a gut feeling. Most of the teams I will be putting are just gut feeling teams, but I don't know what the term gut feeling teams are, but
Good evening.
just saying. So I think Liverpool will win the league just because gut feeling. I think Man City will finish second, Chelsea will finish third, and to round off the top four, I think Arsenal will get top four.
Good evening.
And for the Europa League, fifth and sixth, Manchester United and Everton. Yes, Everton. I think under Carlo Ancelotti, Everton have a big chance to make it into Europe. And they have also, basically, they have bought a new midfield consisting of Alan, James Rodriguez, and Dukure. So that's that. And top six challengers, seventh, eighth, ninth. I think Spurs will be seventh because their squad is just not for the top six. I think it's a too weak a squad and they are not so consistent. Now Mourinho, I don't think Mourinho's philosophy is for Tottenham Hotspurs. Now Mourinho, I don't think Mourinho's philosophy is for Tottenham Hotspurs.
Fuck off.
So seventh is Tottenham. Eighth, I think, will be Wolves. Ninth. For ninth, I'm going to pick a surprise pick, and it's Newcastle United. I think they have made very smart signings during this window, like Jamal Lewis, Callum Wilson, Ryan Fraser on a free, and Jeff Hendrick. So that's that. And mid-table, um, Leeds will finish 10th because of Marcelo Bielsa. Yes, many managers regard him as the idol and the best manager in the world. So that's that. And for 11th, I think will be Leicester. I don't think Leicester will be too good this year. I think they'll be just average and not beyond that. 12th, 12th I think will be Crystal Palace. Just I don't know, just gut feeling.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Round off the mid-table will be Sheffield United. So this is it. And for the relegation battle, 15, 16, 17, I think 15th will be Southampton because they haven't strengthened the squad this year. I don't think so till now, but 15th will be Southampton, 16th will be Brighton, and 17th will be West Brom Albion. Because I think it's Slaven Bilic. I think Slaven Bilic is the manager. 1 minute. Slaven Bilic. Yes, West Brom. Slaven Bilic is a good manager. I think he has the experience to uh, get West Brom to safety. And in his first season, I don't think first season, but when Payet was there at West,
To be fair, I don't care.
and for 18th, I think Aston Villa will drop this season. Although they have signed Matty Cash and other banging players, I don't think they will survive in the Premier League. 19th will be West Ham just because they are in a turmoil. As you can see from the recent Mo Sideman video of the Premier League tier list,
I'm not interested. I'm not interested, yaar.
Fulham will round off the relegation teams. So that's it for today. Hope you liked my video. If you are watching my video, please comment because I don't know if any outsiders are watching my video. And nothing else, you can see the list for the final time. And thanks for watching. Bye.